Welcome everyone to German Tool Reviews. Today we're going to take a look at this set of Pferd Files I picked up. Just a short little background on Pferd. They've been around since 1799 and their primary product lines are in files and other abrasive tools. Pferd literally translates to horse in English and closely matches their initial focus in farrier tools used to work on the hooves of a horse. This is a line of products that they still make today. This particular set is a 5-piece set under part number 16078. These are all 8-inch American pattern machinist files. The other common pattern is known as the Swiss pattern. These are all cut 1 files, known more commonly as bastard style, and are suited for coarse machining and stock removal. This set ends up coming with a total of 11 items, since the file handles are not normally sold with the files unless you purchase a set like this. So let's go ahead and unbox this thing. I couldn't find any country of origin on the box of the files, but my suspicion is that they are still made in Germany. The files look to have been rattled around a bit during transport, as you can see by some of the ripped cardboard at one end. The styles included with this set are hand, 3 square, square, tapered, half round, and round. I must say that these comfort grip handles are really nice. It seems like it would take a lot of force to remove the file from the handle, so I'm not even going to try to take them off. You actually get 2 styles of handles with this kit. 2 flat files use the FH4/1 handle that has some additional wings to provide some additional lateral stability. The other 3 files use the FH4 handle that is used for 8 to 10 inch files of all other styles. These handles have a soft rubber material indicated by the dark blue color and a harder plastic in lighter blue. Pferd does offer a couple of other handle styles, including ones with perforated plastic and wood in materials. Now let's take a look at this holder. One thing I really do like is that they actually put the model number on the set, 531WR, on the outside of the pouch. They could have just as easily used a generic pouch for all of their sets. This makes it a little easier to tell what's in each pouch if you end up getting multiple sets. The pouch is made out of a PVC material and has a very similar consistency to a tarp. The inside part of the pouch has a much smoother surface that aids in inserting and removing the files. This pouch can actually hold a total of 7 files, even though there are only 5 included in this set. The pockets are all the same size, so the placement of the files shouldn't matter. I did have a little bit of trouble rolling up the files with them weighted to one side. After distributing them a bit, it seems to roll up much better. It seems like the case would work better with a file set with no handles, but it is clearly designed for a set with handles, as the hook and loop straps align just fine with these 5 files. For testing these, I used them to sharpen the hardened jaws of these vintage Belzer vice grips. Considering that they went right through the hard material with no problems, I really didn't have any complaints. I must say that the handles on these are very comfortable. I also had a couple of cheap chisels that I use when I know a piece might have hidden nails in it, which is often the case when working with window and door casings. I know this isn't the typical way to sharpen a chisel, but if you don't have a bench grinder and a stone handy, it works in a pinch. If you're wondering how it does on soft material like aluminum, it does cut like butter. However, this is not really the type of file to use for really soft material, as it will get loaded pretty fast. A couple of swipes with a file card cleaned up the files pretty nicely. Files are a difficult tool to review because you really have to use them for a good deal to know how well they hold up over time. You should get many years out of a quality file before it needs to be acid sharpened, so I'm holding final judgment on these, but so far so good. I see this more as something as a long-term review that I hope to keep you apprised of. Well, hopefully you enjoyed that look at a couple of Pferd machinist files. There's some affiliate links in the description if you feel the urge to pick this set up. Have a good week, and I'll catch you guys next time.